Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for a sleek and classy faucet for your bathroom, this one from BARROCK will be very impressive. I love the straight lines of this faucet, and of course the gold finish is so beautiful and classy. I find it has really impressive pressure, so a lot of water comes out. There's not just a gentle trickle, you have a really impressive stream. Very easy to use and maneuver from hot to cold. I also like that you can use this whether you have one hole or three, so it does come with the optional extra plate. You also get the pop-up drain, which has already saved me more than once with my jewelry falling down the sink, so I really love this and it matches. It's very easy to install. It comes with everything you need. Now the hole in our sink was just a hair too small for the size of the drain, so we did have to enlarge it just a little bit with a diamond blade. So keep that in mind. It may fit or it might be just a little too tight, so you might have to do a little improvising. Overall, I'm really pleased with this faucet. It's beautiful and it serves my needs, and I just think it looks awesome in my bathroom, and that's my point of view.